far, far away in the jungle, there was a parrot. One day, he found a banana tree. The parrot loved to eat bananas and was so happy to find the tree. Bananas were big and sweet, and there were a lot. So the parrot decided to call his friend, a monkey who also loved bananas. The monkey and the parrot took one banana each. The parrot said, "My banana is sweet and big." The monkey responded, "No, my banana is sweeter and bigger." The parrot said, "No, mine!" The monkey got angry and they started fighting. Oh no! And then teacher Joe came and said, "Stop fighting! Both bananas are sweet and equally big." The monkey and the parrot stopped fighting. The parrot took the banana from the monkey and the monkey took the banana from the parrot. And the teacher was right. Both bananas were sweet and big. The monkey and the parrot became happier than they were before. How did you find this story about the monkey and the parrot? Do you like bananas too? Yes? Alright, I love bananas. It's my favorite fruit. Did you notice that we used adjectives? Happy, sweet, and big, but we used them in different forms. Happier, sweeter, and bigger. It's called comparative adjectives. We use them to compare two nouns. They could be objects, people, or animals based on shared characteristics like size, color, height, weight, taste, and much more. When we compare two nouns, we use the word than. Let's check it out. Tom is tall. Mark is taller than Tom. The red pencil is short. The blue pencil is shorter than the red pencil. See, we compared Tom and Mark's heights and the length of the two pencils. There are two ways to make or form a comparative adjective. With short adjectives, we add er at the end. With long adjectives, we use more before the adjective. First, let's zoom in on short adjectives. They consist of one syllable. For example, small, old, large, kind, brave, young, thin. Okay, I think I should stop. You get the point. So in this case, like I've mentioned before, we add er to the word. Let's have a look. Small, smaller. Old, older. Kind, kinder. Fast, faster. Slow, slower. And young, younger. Now, what should we do if the word ends with an E? This is a great question. In this case, we add only R. Come on, I think you can help me here. Large, larger. Brave, braver. Well done. Wise, wiser. Hey, I think you will make a great teacher. There are two words left from our list, hot and thin. Okay, let's do it this way. I will tell you the comparative form of these words and you need to help me with the rule. What do you think? Okay, great. Thin, thinner. Hot, hotter. What do we have here? Double N and double T. Are they lost? Of course not. You are right. If the word ends with a consonant letter, like P, G, T, N, L, M, and so on, and there is a vowel before it, like O, I, U, A, we double the last letter. Let's have another look. Hot. H is a consonant, O, a vowel, T, a consonant, and we double the T. Hotter. Amazing! What? You are saying there was the word happier in our story? I can't hide anything from you. Well, okay, since you mentioned it, here is the rule. Two-syllable words that end with Y are formed just as in the first case for adjectives with one syllable by adding er and changing the Y to an I. Let's check it out. Happy, happier. Easy, easier. Busy, busier. Well done. I have a lot of things that I want to compare. Let's do it together and fill in the gaps. Fat. The white cat is than the black cat. Fatter. Very good. The white cat is fatter than the black cat. Heavy. The elephant is than the lion. Good job. The elephant is heavier than the lion. Let's keep it up. Fast. The red car is than the blue car. Can you help me? Faster. Well done. The red car is faster than the blue car. Large. The plane is than the helicopter. Larger. Very good. The plane is larger than the helicopter. It's time for me to go to my next lesson. Do you want to learn English faster, funnier, and easier? Then join Novakid today.